Do not touch it. And here is maybe the most overlooked feature or factor in the success or failure of a steak, particularly a thick steak, but it's true of all meat. This magical period immediately following its removal from the heat, it should rest on the board, meaning sit there at room temperature for 5 to 7 minutes, at which point stay away from it. Don't touch it. Don't poke it. Don't slice it to look inside. Do not start slicing it into slices right away. What's going on inside is it is continuing to cook, but even more importantly, the juices are distributing themselves in a truly wonderful alignment. That's why if you cut into a steak too quickly off the barbecue, you get this sort of bullseye pattern instead of what it should be, a gentle graduation from red to various hues of pink to the outer crust. All the difference in the world between a good steak and a totally messed up steak is going on in that period of time that you're just doing nothing. Nothing. I'm going to find a good, hot, sizzling, either grill or pan, get a good crust and sear on the outside. You want to finish it either in the oven or all the way on the grill, and then just let it sit. Don't wrap it in foil. Don't cover it. Don't poke it. Don't prod it. Don't even look at it. Just let it sit there, leave it alone, and you will be rewarded.